Welcome back to this vlog. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tom. I do mostly cooking videos. This is one of my monthly unboxings. I have a subscription to Universal Yum. It's a super box, the Super Yum box. That's what we'll be unboxing today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get to unboxing it. There. It looks like this month's is turkey. That's the little booklet that comes with it. Gives you information about what's in it, snacks, goodies, all that. Comes with a little flyer type thing. Gives you like ratings that you can rate each thing inside. A little puzzle that'll let you know what next month box is, or give you a hint to it. Tells you a little game to play. This month it has Bestas, probably mispronouncing that. It's called, translates to 5 stones, Turkish style jacks. Sounds interesting. But yeah, let's get into this. And yeah, I'll be trying 2 things today out of the box. Okay. Pardon for my voice, getting over a cold. First thing is this, called Crunch Taco and Hardal Aero Molly chips, or kips. Crisp with mustard taco seasoning. Sound interesting. Here's the next thing. Tombi Kit Kat Aero Molly Misir Kips ketchup flavored sticks. Huh. Made from potatoes. This is Undul Kebab, corn snack with grilled kebab flavor. Ulker crispy something. I'm not even gonna try and butcher that word, or those words. It's cracker chips with mixed spices. We got, looks like 2 Torku Enjoy Kek, chocolate and vanilla sponge cake with orange filling. This is spicy cracker sticks. Some of these I'm not even going to try and pronounce. We got cheese and onion cracker chips. Next is sesame seed coated cracker sticks. I'm figuring there's something similar to like pretzels, but not. I can pronounce this. Today, Goldie's Milk and Honey. Spongy cake with milk and honey cream. Looks like a Twinkie. We got Lush Tahini, sesame paste filled cookies. Tahini is sesame paste, if y'all didn't know. Then we got right here caramel and hazelnut cream wafer. We got key fruit leather triangles with fruit molasses and pistachio. Interesting. Got one thing that I'm going to be trying, I know. Turkish Delight. Never had Turkish Delight that I know of. We got some Tatsan soft nougat, soft chocolate nougat with hazelnuts. A today cherry donut, chocolate donut with cherry jelly. Yeah, Mavlana Sakiri, sugar candies in strawberry, bergamot, orange chocolate flavor. We got Turkish Delight with carrot, pistachio, and coconut. We got Lush Cocoa Creme Mosaic cookies with chocolate cream filling. And last but not least, we get the Yummy Bag, which is little hard candies or soft gummies. Comes in a bag like this. Looks like there's only 2 types. So there's usually like 3. We got this one right here. Can you see? Toffix Mastic, soft chewy gummy with mastic flavor. I have no clue what mastic is. And this one. Toffix Mellow Mellow. It's a pear and orange flavor. Oh. We're going to try the Turkish Delight. Then we're going to try the Twinkie looking thing. Okay. Comes in a little package like that. Once you open the box, that is. That's what the Turkish Delight looks like. Definitely not what I was picturing whenever I read. I think it was The Lion of the Witcher Wardrobe, or that some book in that series when I first heard of Turkish Delight. But it's good. I like it. Now, let's try the Twinkie looking thing. Definitely looks like a Twinkie. Not as yellow, but does not. Kind of looks like it on the inside, but not really. Taste it. Not bad. Pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and a sorry. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notified so you'll be notified of my next upload. Thank you and have a great day.